Try that again, y'all. There we go. What's up, y'all? I'm back again with another video. And this video is sponsored by Ywigs. So I'm going to be doing a install. And they sent me a nice little cap, stocking cap. So the knots are pre-bleached. I love that for me. I really do, because I don't be want to do all that work. It's one of those, I guess it's like a... I was going to say T-part, but that's not it. Now, I want to be able to just wear this glueless. It does have the straps in the back and everything. It's a 13 by 6, and it's a 22-inch unit. Make this glueless, hopefully. Let me comb my hair, come back. So you can see, this wig fits very snug around the front. So what I'm gonna do right now is fix the wig. Okay, so I cannot find my pinking shears. So I'm just going to cut the lace off with regular shears, and I'll just be back. So again, you can very much glue this down. However, I just do not want the glue on my hair. I've gotten used to just wearing my hair. So I'm actually going to take the wig off, cut it in some layers, and spice it up a little bit. So now I'm saturating the hair down with Kenra dry oil. Y'all know I love that. And I'm using the T3 curler. Now this one is the 1 1/4. I should have gotten the 1 1/2 inch. Now the one thing I will say about this hair, when I had the curler turned all the way up high, the hair was kind of sticking to the iron. But once I turned it down to the 3rd dot, I'm not exactly sure what temperature that is, but it was on the 3rd dot on the curler, the hair curled just fine. So keep that in mind, that this is not, you know, something that you can use high heat on. A little bit of liquid gold, just one little layer. It's a little windy outside, but I'm not trying to like glue it down and melt it and all of that, because that's not what we're doing today. Okay, now let me grab my wig. Okay, so I'm gonna cut my little curtain bang. I want it up a little higher. So I'm just gonna see. Okay. And this is real easy to do yourself. Okay, so now I'm gonna just put some wax stick right at the top. And y'all know this main life. Main life is the best life. Let's take our little pressing comb. Okay, so now this wig was not very thick, but then again, I did cut it. What the density was, I actually don't remember. See that? But look, the lace blends in with my skin, and I did not tint the lace or do any of that. I literally stuck it on my head, cut it and curled it. Get this nice wig, very beginner friendly. Yeah, and it's not on my head. See? Wigs that I can wear glueless, so that I can just kind of there you go. Okay, got it again, y'all. There we go. Yes, so check out Ywigs. I have the link in the description box below. And I'll see you again for the next video.